Hey Pakistan, how are you? I hope so. You all are having an amazing and a beautiful morning so far. This is Muhammad Bilal Azam and you are watching my YouTube channel. Have you ever imagined a world without weapons? What it would be like? Let me know in the comments. For every second person in this world, a world without weapons would be peaceful and tranquil. All human beings would live their lives happily, joyously, and blissfully. And we think that if there would be no weapons, there would be no killing of innocent lives, no destruction of property, no mass massacre on the basis of religion, caste, and superiority. But can it happen in reality? Let's see. On June 16, 2020, a fight broke out between Indian and Chinese forces in Ladakh's Galvin Valley, that is located high up in the Himalayas. As a result of this fight, 20 Indian troops were killed by the Chinese forces. However, both Indian and Chinese sides insist no bullets have been fired in last 4 decades. The Indian army said on Tuesday no shots were fired in the latest skirmish. Now here is a question that then how those 20 Indian personals got killed. Yes, it is being reportedly said that it was a fight not with the human-made weapons but with rocks and clubs. Now, if for a minute, if we accept that all the nuclear weapons have been destroyed and no further preparation is being taking place, then who can take the responsibility that no further killing would take place, no further destruction of property take place? No one can take the responsibility because by heart we all know that these are not only the nuclear weapons that must be stopped, but it is something here in our minds, hatred, that needs to be replaced with love. That's all in this video. Until then, my next video, bye bye, stay blessed, and thanks for watching as always.